In April's breath the garden stirs, not all at once, but in soft whispers. A hush of green beneath the soil, a quiet end to winter's toil. The frost retreats without a sound, and life begins beneath the ground. Where roots remember, deep and old, the sun's return, the thawing cold. The morning light, still pale and thin, now beckons every bud within, and dew like glass on petals lies, reflecting soft, awakening skies. The daffodils in golden flame are first to rise and stake their claim. With trumpets bright and faces fair, they sing of warmth upon the air. Beside them dance the crocus small, in purples deep and whites that call, to bees who hum their sleepy tune, awakened by the April noon. And tulips, oh tulips bold, in scarlet red and yellow gold, stand tall like painted cups of fire, each one a quiet bright desire. Striped like sunsets, edged in flame, no two alike, yet all the same, in purpose to declare the spring, and all the joy it seeks to bring. Beneath their shade the pansies peak, with velvet faces soft and meek, in violet, blue and buttercream, like fragments from a painter's dream. The wallflowers breathe their spicy air, a scent that lingers everywhere. In amber hues and rustic grace, they warm the garden's waking face. Along the hedge the blossoms grow, white pear and apple row on row, each petal drifting soft and slow, like April's quiet fleeting snow. The cherry trees in blush attire set all the evening sky on fire, and when the breeze begins to play, their petals dance and drift away. A carpet forms of pink and white, a fleeting fragile soft delight, a reminder whispered through the air that beauty lives because it's rare. Forget-me-nots in clusters blue hold tiny drops of morning dew, like stars that fell from twilight skies and settle where the green earth lies. Bellis daisies low and bright turn their faces to the light, each one a sun upon the ground where quiet miracles are found. Among the beds new life appears, the gardener's work from recent years, fresh soil turned and borders laid, where careful dreams begin to braid. Young shoots of zinnias test the day, still finding strength in a gentle May, while buds of fuchsia softly fall, awaiting summer's full warm. Their pendants hang in future grace, a promise till we'll soon embrace, in colours deep and forms surreal, too intricate to not feel real. The breeze moves lightly through it all, a tender, almost hidden call, that rustles leaves and bends each stem, as though the earth breathes life through them. The robin sings from the garden wall, a steady, clear, familiar call, while blackbirds answer rich and low, in melodies that ebb and flow. A distant hum, the bees at work, no idle hour, no time to shirk. They move from bloom to bloom with care, treading life through April air. Clouds drift lazily overhead, in shifting whites and greys instead, and sometimes rain will softly fall, a silver thread that feeds it all. Each droplet sings upon the leaves, a lullaby the soil receives. And when the sun returns once more, the garden shines as never before. Paths once bare now brim with green, in every shade that can be seen, from mossy soft to vibrant bright, a tapestry of growing light. The slate and stone, still cool from night, now catch the warming midday light, and shadows stretch in quiet play, marking time in April's day. There's something here beyond the view, a deeper pulse, both old and new, a rhythm felt, but never shown, that roots through every seed that's sown. It lives in buds about to break, in every small unfolding wake, in every leaf that greets the sun, a silent chorus all as one. And as evening starts to fall, a golden hush surrounds it all. The light grows soft, the air grows still, the world bends gently to its will. The tulips close, the daisies rest, the sun glows warm within the west, and shadows blend with twilight's hue in fading shades of grey and blue. The scent of blossoms lingers on, though now the brighter light has gone. A memory held within the air, a trace of all that blossomed there. And in this pause, this quiet space, April leaves its gentle trace, not loud, not bold, not meant to stay, but passing softly on its way. Yet in its wake the promise grows, in every stem and bud it sows, that soon the garden full and deep will wake from this half dreaming sleep. For now it breathes, it starts, it tries, beneath the ever-changing skies, and each moment, soft and true, the world begins itself anew.